Hi. In this video we will be talking about the importance of saving tips for the modern shopper. Watch this video to the end to explore innovative strategies and tools to help you save money without relying on outdated couponing methods. Welcome back to the International CEO. In an age where technology dominates every aspect of our lives, it's time to rethink traditional methods of saving money. Gone are the days of tirelessly clipping coupons from newspapers or magazines. The modern shopper seeks efficient, tech-savvy approaches to maximize savings without sacrificing time or convenience. In this article, we explore innovative strategies and tools to help you save money without relying on outdated couponing methods. Embrace digital coupons and cashback apps. Traditional paper coupons are quickly becoming obsolete, replaced by digital counterparts accessible through smartphones and computers. Various apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, and Honey offer cashback and discount opportunities across a wide range of retailers and products. By simply scanning receipts or activating offers before shopping, consumers can earn cashback on everyday purchases. These apps streamline the saving process, eliminating the hassle of clipping, organizing, and remembering to bring physical coupons to the store. Leverage price comparison websites. Online shopping offers unparalleled convenience and access to a vast array of products, but it can also lead to overspending if not approached strategically. Price comparison websites such as Google Shopping, PriceGrabber, and Camel enable consumers to compare prices across multiple retailers instantly. Before making a purchase, take a few minutes to research prices and ensure you're getting the best deal available. Additionally, many retailers offer price match guarantees, allowing you to secure the lowest price without sacrificing convenience. Subscribe and save. Subscription services have revolutionized the way consumers shop for everyday essentials. Platforms like Amazon Subscribe and Save and Walmart's Delivery Unlimited offer discounted prices on frequently purchased items when enrolled in a subscription. By committing to regular deliveries of household staples like toiletries, cleaning supplies, and pantry staples, shoppers can enjoy significant savings and never worry about running out of essentials. Furthermore, subscriptions often come with added perks such as free shipping and exclusive discounts for members. Utilize loyalty programs and rewards. Many retailers offer loyalty programs and rewards programs to incentivize customer loyalty and encourage repeat business. Whether it's a grocery store, pharmacy, or clothing retailer, joining these programs can unlock various benefits such as discounts, personalized offers, and even free products. Additionally, credit cards with cashback rewards or points systems can further enhance savings when used strategically for everyday purchases. By consolidating spending and maximizing rewards, savvy shoppers can stretch their dollars further without sacrificing quality or convenience. Take advantage of flash sales and daily deals. Online retailers frequently host flash sales and daily deals offering steep discounts on select products for a limited time. Websites like Woot, Groupon, and Zulily specialize in curating daily deals across a diverse range of categories, from electronics to home goods to travel experiences. While these sales may require quick decision-making, they present excellent opportunities to snag high-quality items at a fraction of their regular price. By staying vigilant and monitoring deal websites regularly, shoppers can capitalize on these fleeting opportunities to save big. Opt for generic brands and bulk purchases. When it comes to groceries and household goods, opting for generic or store brand products can yield substantial savings without sacrificing quality. These products often offer comparable quality to name brands at a significantly lower price point. Additionally, buying in bulk can further reduce costs per unit, especially for non-perishable items like rice, pasta, and canned goods. Warehouse clubs like Costco and Sam's Club specialize in offering bulk quantities at discounted prices, making them ideal destinations for cost-conscious shoppers looking to stock up on essentials. Practice mindful spending and budgeting. Ultimately, the most effective way to save money as a modern shopper is to cultivate mindful spending habits and adhere to a budget. Set realistic spending limits for different categories such as groceries, dining out, entertainment, and clothing, and track your expenses diligently using budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. By understanding where your money goes and identifying areas where you can cut back or optimize spending, you can achieve long-term financial stability and freedom. Remember that small changes in spending habits can add up to significant savings over time. Harness the power of rebate programs. In addition to cashback apps, rebate programs offer another avenue for saving money on purchases. Companies like Checkout 51, Fetch Rewards, and Saving Star provide rebates on specific products after purchase. Shoppers can browse available offers, purchase the qualifying items at any store, and then submit their receipts for cashback. Rebate programs often feature a rotating selection of products, including groceries, household items, and personal care products, allowing consumers to save on everyday essentials. Sign up for email newsletters and alerts. Many retailers offer exclusive discounts and promotions to subscribers of their email newsletters. By signing up for newsletters from your favorite stores, you can stay informed about upcoming sales, special offers, and limited-time promotions. Some retailers even offer welcome discounts or coupons for new subscribers. Additionally, consider enabling push notifications from shopping apps or following retailers on social media platforms to receive real-time alerts about flash sales, clearance events, and other opportunities to save money. Utilize browser extensions for automatic savings. Browser extensions like Capital One Shopping, formerly Wikibuy, and RetailMe.Genie automatically scan the web for available coupons and discounts when you shop online. These tools seamlessly integrate into your browser and apply applicable coupon codes or alert you to better prices on alternative websites. With the click of a button, you can maximize savings without the need for manual searching or inputting codes at checkout. Browser extensions take the guesswork out of finding the best deals, ensuring you never miss out on potential savings. Time your purchases strategically. Timing your purchases strategically can lead to significant savings, especially for big-ticket items like electronics, appliances, and furniture. Retailers often offer discounts and promotions during specific times of the year, such as holiday weekends, back-to-school season, and end-of-season clearance sales. Additionally, keep an eye out for annual sales events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Amazon Prime Day, when retailers slash prices on a wide range of products. By planning your purchases around these sales cycles, you can capitalize on maximum savings. Consider alternative shopping channels. While traditional brick-and-mortar retailers still play a significant role in shopping habits, alternative channels like online marketplaces and second-hand platforms offer unique opportunities to save money. Websites such as eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace allow consumers to buy and sell used or discounted items directly from other individuals. Similarly, thrift stores, consignment shops, and garage sales offer a treasure trove of gently used clothing, furniture, and household goods at a fraction of their retail price. Exploring these alternative channels can uncover hidden gems and deliver substantial savings. Adopt a minimalist mindset. Embracing a minimalist lifestyle can also contribute to significant savings in the long run. By prioritizing quality over quantity and focusing on essential purchases, you can reduce clutter, minimize waste, and save money. Before making a purchase, ask yourself whether the item aligns with your values and serves a genuine need. Consider decluttering and selling unused or unwanted items to generate extra cash or offset the cost of new purchases. By practicing mindful consumption and avoiding impulse buys, you can cultivate a more intentional and financially sustainable lifestyle. Take advantage of student and military discounts. If you're a student or a member of the military, you may be eligible for special discounts and perks at various retailers and service providers. Many companies offer student discounts on products and services ranging from software subscriptions to clothing to travel accommodations. Similarly, retailers and businesses often extend discounts and benefits to active duty military personnel, veterans, and their families as a gesture of appreciation for their service. Be sure to carry your student ID or military ID and inquire about available discounts wherever you shop or dine. D. Whenever possible. One of the most effective ways to save money is by embracing a do-it-yourself (DIY) mentality and tackling tasks that you would otherwise outsource or purchase ready-made. Whether it's cooking meals at home instead of dining out, repairing household items yourself instead of hiring a professional, or crafting handmade gifts instead of buying expensive presents, DIY projects can lead to significant savings over time. Not only do DIY endeavors save money, but they also offer opportunities for creativity, self-sufficiency, and personal satisfaction. Negotiate prices and ask for discounts. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices or ask for discounts when making purchases, especially for big-ticket items or services. Many retailers are willing to price match competitors' offers or offer discounts to customers who are polite, courteous, and willing to engage in friendly negotiation. When shopping in person, inquire about floor model discounts, open box specials, or bundle deals to secure the best price possible. Similarly, when shopping online, reach out to customer service representatives via live chat or email to inquire about available discounts or promotions. Capitalize on credit card benefits and perks. Credit cards offer a myriad of benefits beyond just the ability to make purchases on credit. Many credit cards come with built-in perks such as cashback rewards, travel insurance, extended warranties, and purchase protection. Additionally, some credit cards offer sign-up bonuses or introductory offers for new cardholders, providing an opportunity to earn valuable rewards or statement credits. By understanding the features and benefits of your credit cards and using them responsibly, you can maximize savings and unlock additional value on your purchases. Invest in energy-efficient appliances and devices. While the upfront cost of energy-efficient appliances and devices may be higher than their conventional counterparts, they can yield substantial savings on utility bills over time. Energy-efficient products such as LED light bulbs, programmable thermostats, and Energy Star-rated appliances consume less energy and reduce monthly utility expenses. Additionally, consider implementing energy-saving practices such as turning off lights when not in use, unplugging electronics when not in use, and optimizing heating and cooling settings to further reduce energy consumption and save money. Participate in referral programs and affiliate marketing. Many companies incentivize customer referrals through referral programs and affiliate marketing initiatives. By referring friends, family members, or colleagues to sign up for a service or make a purchase, you can earn rewards, discounts, or cash bonuses. Similarly, bloggers, influencers, and content creators often participate in affiliate marketing programs, promoting products or services to their audience in exchange for a commission on sales generated through their referral links. Whether you're referring others or leveraging affiliate partnerships, participation in referral programs can lead to valuable rewards and savings. Stay informed about tax-free shopping opportunities. Certain states and regions offer tax-free shopping holidays during specific times of the year, typically around back-to-school season or during the holiday shopping season. During these tax-free periods, consumers can purchase eligible items such as clothing, school supplies, and electronics without paying state sales tax. Additionally, some online retailers may offer tax-free promotions or discounts during these periods to attract customers. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the dates and eligibility criteria for tax-free shopping in your area to maximize savings on qualifying purchases. In today's fast-paced and digitally driven world, modern shoppers have access to a wide array of innovative tools and strategies for saving money. From digital coupons and cashback apps to price comparison websites and subscription services, the options for savvy shopping are endless. By adopting a proactive approach to saving money, leveraging technology, and embracing mindful spending habits, consumers can achieve significant savings without sacrificing quality or convenience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.